My name's Will Boyd. Before Amazon, I was active duty in the Army. After that, I spent 7 years in aerospace. I've always had an interest to be an entrepreneur. It's kind of been one of those ingrained sort of aspirations I think I've always had. You know, in the military, it is all about the team effort, and it's mission oriented. You'll do well as a leader, as a commander, if you're able to really bring out the best in people or play to people's strengths. Amazon has got logistics figured out. What you can bring to the table is really the people aspect, and interacting with the people, hiring the people, training them, engaging with them, and bringing them along as safe and effective drivers.